Hi, I'm Lindsay with MFG.com, and I'm going to show you how you can easily create a new RFQ or request for quote with MFG.com. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's move to the left-hand side of our screen and select the Create New RFQ button. From here, you'll notice that you have two options, to either add a part from your parts library or add a new part. For the sake of this demonstration, let's say that we're going to build a single part RFQ. So let's go ahead and move to the category, and let's select our manufacturing category. Let's move forward and select Display All Categories. And let's say that this is going to be a fabricated part, so let's go ahead and select Fabrication, and we'll choose Bending. Let's select OK, and let's continue on. Let's go ahead and give this a part number. And let's skip over commodity code and part description. Those are both pretty self-explanatory. And let's go ahead and select our material. How about we just pick stainless steel, and let's continue moving down. From here, you see that we come to the part-specific attachments and links section. This is where we would upload any files or internet links that would give the suppliers more information about our specific part. So let's go ahead and click on Upload Files or Internet Links. And you can see from here, all you would have to do is upload things directly from your computer, or you could actually give links directly from the internet. You can also add all of your files and links directly to your MFG.com file vault, so every time you come back to source, all of your information's there. So let's continue to move forward. Let's put in our quantities. And we'll say that our units being pieces is just fine. A delivery date of March 1st works for us. And let's go ahead and put an estimated annual usage. In here you can insert both your baseline price and your reference price, and note that these are never visible to suppliers unless under target price you choose to show that directly to your suppliers when you're requesting your quotes. So since we stated earlier that this was going to be a single part RFQ, let's go ahead and say that we're finished adding parts. And then we'll move forward and fill out the rest of the RFQ details. Let's say that quotes needed by February 2nd works for us, and we will plan on awarding the RFQ on February 9th. Let's give the RFQ a name. Let's go ahead and put this into an RFQ folder. I have some folders there already, but let's go ahead and create a new folder. We'll call it Bending Parts, and we'll select Create New Folder, and it'll go right in there. Here's where we would enter in a brief RFQ description for suppliers. And here is where we have the opportunity to include a non-disclosure agreement with our RFQ. Let's go ahead and select, and we have the option to either use MFG.com's blanket NDA text, or we can actually insert our own. So let's go ahead and select My NDA, and this is where you could easily copy and paste your own NDA, or you could go ahead and use ours and insert your company name like I've done right here. Let's go ahead and head out. We also have the opportunity to actually include a second level NDA as well, where that would mean we would manually approve each supplier's signature that accepted our NDA. But we'll go ahead and leave that one off for purpose of this demonstration. We'll say US dollars is what we want our things to be quoted in. We're going to go ahead and skip over attachments and links, as we're not going to be including any other documents with this. Shipping terms, CIF works for us. Let's go ahead and say that we're going to ship this directly to 2700 Cumberland Parkway, MFG.com's headquarters. Let's set our payment terms. How about we say net 30? And we'll continue on our way. The second to last step is to let suppliers know a little bit of information about this RFQ. So our intentions for this RFQ are we're looking for a supplier for a new design. We have a contract for this work, and we'll say this is for the aerospace industry. Here we could add any additional questions that we wanted to for suppliers, but we'll go ahead and skip over that. You can tell that our RFQ is already defaulted to North America. Let's say that we just want to do it to the United States. So we'll go ahead and select that. And there you have it, folks. Once we hit submit, we will have officially created our first RFQ on MFG.com. Thank you for joining me, and remember that MFG.com is the easiest, fastest, and most effective way to source custom manufactured parts, standard components, and assemblies. Thanks, and have a great day.